Welcome to this BoldDesk integration tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through integrating Line with BoldDesk to enhance your customer support experience. Line is a multi-purpose app that supports a wide range of message types, including text, images, videos, voice messages, attachments, location sharing, and even stickers, making communication more dynamic and engaging. For Line app integration, the Line account has to be set up through the developer portal. I start by logging in, creating a provider and a channel, and selecting the messaging API as the channel type. After setting up, ensure that the channel ID and channel secret are saved, as these credentials are essential for the next step in integrating the Line app into the BoldDesk account. Next, I log into my BoldDesk account as an administrator. On your agent portal, navigate to the admin module and open the marketplace page. Here, I search for and select the Line app. I click Install to install the Line app, and the Line app configuration page will open. To add a Line account, I click the Manage option and select the Add Account option. This opens the account configuration page, where I enter the name, channel ID, and channel secret key, which were saved from the Line administration page earlier. Next, select the brand and group to associate the account with. I click Verify and continue to open the message configuration page and set up welcome and offline messages. I turn on the welcome message option and enter the welcome message, which will be automated when a customer initiates a conversation. Similarly, with the offline message enabled, a configured message can be sent while you are away. On the same page, there is also an option to enable the AI agent. Once enabled, I need to add the handover method. The Auto Assign to AI Agent option automatically assigns customer conversations to the selected AI agent upon creation. The Manual Handover option transfers conversations manually using workflows. For detailed instructions on the AI agent, refer to the video link in the description. I select Business Hours and click Next to proceed to the webhook page. A webhook will be displayed, which can be used to configure the message delivery between Line and BoldDesk. Lastly, I click Save to complete the integration process. And that is it. You are now ready to deliver seamless customer support through Line using BoldDesk. When customers initiate conversations by sending messages via Line, a new chat conversation is automatically created in the chat module. Agents can view and respond directly within BoldDesk, ensuring seamless communication without needing to switch platforms. Before I wrap up this video, here are some points to note. If you are unable to reply to a Line conversation, it may be due to limitations such as a deactivated or deleted brand, a removed Line integration, or a deactivated Line account. In such cases, the conversation becomes read-only. Agents can view past messages and contact details but cannot send or receive new messages. To restore functionality, ensure the brand and Line account are active and properly linked, or reconfigure the integration through the admin settings. Please remember to check out our other integration videos from the playlist above. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.